Look at here. Now you gotta have the accessories. So we're gonna be putting the 16.5-inch mirror on today. I'm gonna mount it right up here. Got some self-tapping screws. We'll get it measured, stuck up there, and that way you can see everything behind you. Decent quality, it looks like. We'll see. Okay, I have my brackets up. Just measured the center point. Got my measurements. It comes with 4 self-tapping screws. Fairly simple. Now let me hang it up there. Okay, mount it up. Looks pretty good. Good angles. You can see all over. Very good. Thanks for watching. Very simple to do. Easy. Easy peasy. You know, Freebie likes easy. He. It's me, Freebie again. Hey, check out our stuff.